This is a 10-pack of ceramic appreciation coffee mugs I was sent a review from Jingmore. They are gorgeous, so let me show you a closer look. They do come individually boxed, so if you are gifting these to different people, that's good to know because it's a nice white box that you could DIY with stickers, a message, a name, etc. These are so gorgeous. I've arranged them by color. Why not? They are all great quality. They arrived really nicely bubble wrapped and packaged and everything. No chips, any issues like that. I love the cork bottom, which makes them really quiet on the counter. The cork bottom, you can actually pop it off. Then you can wash it without having to worry about the bottom and then just pop it right back on. I love that that comes off. They all have a travel top. There is a very small sip opening here, so it's not fully spill proof, but almost. So it's gonna be great for putting in the console, no worries there. Just don't throw it into a bag where it's gonna be tumbling around, you know. Great handle. That top really is nicely sealed, so that's amazing. These each hold 13.5 ounces, really nice thickness, not something that's gonna be super fragile, glossy, just really well made. I'm seeing zero imperfections, just everything from the printing to the material, the cork, everything is just amazing. Let's go over what each of them says. We've got a matte black one that says, "You rock, thank you for making a difference." Then we've got kind of a slate navy blue, "Never forget the difference you've made." A slate blue, "So grateful for you." A little lighter blue, "Thank you for all you do." A sage green, "May you be proud of the work you do, the person you are, and the difference you make." This one is kind of a darker mint green, "You make a profound difference." This one is a light grayish green, "Thank you for listening, for guidance, for inspiration, for encouragement, and for being here." Then we have kind of a rusty brown, "You are a star, keep shining." A kind of tannish pink, like a rose gold almost, "Thank you for being awesome." And a white one with gold lettering, "You're amazing." This is such a fun pack to hand out to teachers at school for teacher appreciation, at work, to your teammates, etc., etc. They're also great to just have in your house because who doesn't need a reminder with their coffee in the morning that you rock and that you're amazing?